Hello children, again I am here to teach you computer. So take out your books. We will do chapter number 3, page number 27. Yesterday we have finished with inserting header and footer. Now today we will start with page number 27, page formatting. The topic is page formatting. First of all, please take out your pencil so that you can underline the important things. Making changes to the setting of a page is called page formatting. Please underline this. The first line, making changes to the setting of a page is called page formatting. The layout tab of MS Word is used for formatting. The layout tab of MS Word is used for formatting. Let us learn how to format a page using the various options given in the page setup group of the layout tab. Now where you will get this page setup? This is given in the layout tab. Where it is given? It is given in the layout tab. In the layout tab you have to find out page setup. So for that we will be learning. Please turn the page number 28. Page number 28. The first one is given margin. The most important thing is margin. Margin are the amount of white space between the text and the edge of the pages on all four sides. The default setting of the top, bottom, left and right margin in MS Word is 1 inch. So this is very important. Please underline this. Margin is what? Is the amount of space which we want to write. The text will be written on that particular thing. And it is default setting is 1 inch from all the four sides. From left, right, down, bottom and top. The steps to change the page margin are as follows. First step is click on the layout tab and move to the page setup group and select margin command. Now can you see this figure 3.6? What you have to do is click on the layout tab and move to the page setup group and select margin command. This is layout. After layout you have to select page setup and then you will go to this margin. Second step, a drop down menu with various margin sizes opens up. Now these many things will be open up. You are able to see this? It is given in your book also. Then the third step, click or select any default margin as present in the drop down menu. Now you will click on any one and you will select the drop down menu for that. Drop down menu means when you will move the cursor it will come down and it will be continued for you. So here they have selected the normal one. Come to the next one. You can specify your margin setting by clicking margins and then clicking custom margin. What you will do? You will specify what you want to take and then you will click on custom margin. It is here, custom margin. The page setup dialog box appears. Specify top, bottom, left, right margin, then click OK. Then the page setup will come and you have to do it OK. This kind of page setup will come up. You can see it in the figure 3.7. It will come up. It will show you this setup, this one, how your page will look like. And then if it is OK for you, then you will press on OK and it will be done for you. So this is for today. Again I am repeating for you. What you have to do is you will click on layout, then you will go to page setup. After page setup you will select margin command. then these many things will be taken out, come out, not taken out, and then from there you have to select the which one you want to see. As a default margin, this normal default will be taken. Default means it is already taken as default, means whenever you will open a page, this normal size will be there. If you want to change it according to you, you can select any one and you can change it. And after this you will customize margin. You will go to customize margin. This kind of window will be opened, page will be opened for you. In that, preview will be given, this that your page will look like this, and then if you are okay with that, click on OK, and it will be set up for the margins. So this is how we can create a page. In a page setup we can create the margin. So today till this much only. Revise this, and thank you and have a nice day.